Happy November! My name is Estella Dominique and I'm Elise Danielle. And today we will bake baked apples with oatmeal crumble. This recipe can be found on somethingnutritiousblog.com. Now, why apples? Apples are their best during autumn months. That's why, since it's November, might as well make a dish involving apples. Let's start off with the ingredients. First off, you need 2 large apples, preferably Honeycrisp, and also 1 teaspoon of coconut sugar and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. And for the crumb topping, you would need a 1/3 cup of rolled oats, a 1/3 cup of oat flour, 1/4 cup of coconut sugar. We're just going to use regular sugar today. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 3 tablespoons of coconut oil or vegan butter, and we're going to use butter in this recipe, and an 1/8 teaspoon of salt. So let's get started. The first step is to cut the apples in half. So Stella, do you want to cut the apples in half?
Sure.
Oh, make sure to preheat the oven to 375. This is how you do it. You got it. Watch out your fingers. Okay, cool. And then while Stella's doing the other apple, I'm gonna take out the core. So, with the ice cream scooper. Ooh, the seeds, watch out. After you cut your apples, go ahead and put half a cup of hot water in your baking dish and then lay your apples inside the dish. So Stella, what is next? Now we will sprinkle half a tablespoon of coconut sugar, or in our case, just regular sugar, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon on top of the apples.
So a tablespoon?
Yes. Next thing to do is to mix the rest of the ingredients into a bowl for the crumble. Alright, it's time to mix it up. Okay, so now that we have all of the ingredients for the crumble, Alright, so now that we have all the ingredients mixed up for the crumble, what is next, Estella? We will place this oatmeal crumble on top of the apples. Now, after we place the oatmeal crumble onto the apples, we will cover the pan with foil and bake it for 25 minutes. After that, you take out the foil and bake it for another 15 to 20 minutes. Let's go to the oven. Oh, don't forget the apple. Okay. Oh, don't forget the apple. Now we wait for 25 minutes. Okay.
You do.
No, I don't know how to juggle. Okay. Oh, I don't know how to do that. I can't even do that. Okay. While we wait, I actually have a riddle. What do you call an apple that's not an apple? A ripe apple? What? A pineapple. Oh. Okay. And it's finished! After long waiting, we finally got the apples out. Finally got the apples out of the oven, and this is the result.
So we topped it off with some vanilla bean ice cream, which is a classic. So let us try this baked apple with oatmeal crumble.
That is amazing.
Really
you
good.
can see the steam.
Yeah. Let's try it with some ice cream.
It's not too sweet too, which is really good.
That's good.
The ice cream makes it better.
Yes. Okay, so what would you rate this baked apple with oatmeal crumble?
Out of 10,
Yeah, out of 10.
I'll give it a 10.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
I really like it. It's really
That's good.
How about you?
Oh. I would give it a solid 8. Yeah.
Why?
I don't know. The oat is kind of hard, but maybe I was just expecting it to be a bit soft.
Okay, maybe it's a little bit hard to eat because the apples aren't too soft. Maybe you might need a knife to cut it.
Yeah.
But other than that, okay, go ahead.
Oh yeah, Okay. Alright, thank you for watching us make this baked apple with oatmeal crumble.
If you like this dessert, let us know. Also, let us know what other apple desserts you like. I'm Estella Dominique.
And I'm Elise Danielle.
See you next time.